Okay, in this video we're going to cover how to set up your payment methods in the Brothers-Handmade store. So assuming that you've already received your welcome letter from Brothers-Handmade that includes your username and password for the store, let's go ahead and log in to the store provider area. Use this web address that's on the very first line of the invited artists page and copy and paste it into your browser. And this will take you to the login. Now, using your username and password, log in to the provider area of the Brothers-Handmade store. And this will take you to the provider maintenance page, where this is how you maintain all the various things, adding products, deleting products, shipping, and payment methods in the Brothers-Handmade store. So we'll click on the payment methods in order to configure that for the store. Now Brothers-Handmade is only supporting the PayPal payment method currently. So make sure that PayPal is in the first box here, and that box is checked next to it. At the same time, make sure that any other boxes do not have a check. If more than one payment method box is checked, there will be problems when customers are trying to process their payment. Now click on Configure next to PayPal. Now here's where we'll configure our payment method. At this time, let's log into our PayPal account so we can get the information that we'll need in order to configure the payment methods for the store. After you successfully log into your PayPal account, in the search box, type in API Access. This will give you the information that you'll need in order to configure your store properly. Now go down through the results page and find API Access PayPal and click on that. This will bring you to a page where there will be a link that's View API either Signature or View API Certificate. You can use either one. Some artists will have a certificate and some will have a signature. In this case, I have an API Signature. So click on that link. And that will take you to the PayPal API Credentials page. And here's all the information that you'll need to configure your account in the store. I have a test account set up. So we'll configure the website standard. To start, in the account box, this is where you enter your email address that's associated with your PayPal account. You can either just type it in or copy and paste it. The next box is the description of the purchase. This will show up on the receipt for the customer, and you can either put in your name or your business's name here. The next currency, make sure that says US dollars. Order prefix you can leave blank. Make sure the test live mode is in live. And make sure that the action to be performed on order placement is authorize and capture. Okay, now we scroll down to the API Access credentials. And again, we're going to get this information from the PayPal page that you already have up. API Access username. On the PayPal page, you go to API username and copy that, and then we'll paste that into the appropriate box in the store. The API Access password. Copy that. I like copying and pasting this information to make sure that I don't have any transcription errors. And then depending if you have an API signature or API certificate, click in that radio box, whichever one applies to you. In this case, I have an API signature. So back in PayPal, where it's signature or certificate, if you have a certificate, copy that information and paste that into the appropriate box. Make sure if you have a certificate, you paste it into the certificate box. If you have a signature, paste it in the signature box. Check the Suppress Special Characters little checkbox, and, most importantly, click Update. Now that information will be saved. Okay, now we'll look at the Express Checkout. If you're setting up your account for Express Checkout, it's basically the same exercise. Make sure that your test live mode is live. Your currency is US dollars. You'll want to click the API credentials for payments, not the email address. So the API credentials for payments. And again, it's the same information. It has it pre-filled in because I just set up the website payment standards. But again, to get the API access username, you would be in your PayPal account and copy the username. And the same with the API password and signature or certificate information. You would copy that from PayPal and paste that into the appropriate boxes, the password. Select whether you have a signature or certificate, and then paste that signature or certificate into the appropriate box. Choose Authorize and Capture. Suppress Special Characters. And click Update. And that's all there is to setting up your payment. Now you're all set. And you only have to do this exercise once unless you would happen to change your PayPal account. Then you would have to update it.